I am tired of routine work. To wake up every day at 4 a.m., go to work, sit back on the computer and enter the data from 6 a.m. till 1400 p.m. But not anymore. I have left my job to pursue my dreams, to explore the world, to understand the meaning of me being in this world. I want to be different, to be fearless, to fly as higher and higher like a bird. If it's not now, then when? Today is the beginning of rest of my life. It is new life out there. You live only once, so I will do what I feel passionate about. I will take chances. I'm not afraid to be failed. I want to fail 1,000 times, and I am sure 1,001st will be my light bulb, my success. This is my year to break free from depression. This is my year for a new beginning. This is my time to meet people of my dream. This is my time to pursue my dreams. Every failed experience is one step closer to success. I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing. I will fail at some point in my life. Accept it. I will lose. I will embarrass myself. I will suck at some point. No doubt about it. But I will still take the risks to get something you never had. You have to do something you never did. The life is never be a straight path, because taking risk is not about going for a job. It is also about knowing what you know and what you don't know. I am sure people have told you, make sure you have something to fall back on. If I am going to fall, I don't want to fall back on anything except my faith. I want to fall forward. At least this way I will see where I am going to hit. I am a person who doesn't look how far I have come. I always look how far I can go. I want to chase my dreams, and most importantly, I want to find myself, the purpose of being in this world. I am a traveler. Explorer. Adventurer. And a vlogger. I want to explore more places because I believe there are thousands of untold stories which deserve to be known. So come and join me to explore the destiny of my life. I want you all to be wisdom of my spirit, to be with me like my shadow, to be with me in my good and bad times. Let's start fresh journey together.